In today's old-fashioned video, we've got a fun little cheeky little number coming out to play. This one. Oh, this is really good. All right, my lovers, how are we today? Don't ask me why I'm in the Cornish accent, but oh, this has put me in a real fun, cheeky mood. This. Love it. I did a little whiskey tasting. By the time you watch this now, it'll be about 3 weeks ago. With Michter's. Michter's sent over a load of, not me personally, it was about 100 of us. Really got into my rye whiskies. They had a banging rye whiskey. Side story, my favourite out of that, I thought, oh, do you know what, I'm going to get myself a bottle of that. That was absolutely amazing. £138 bottle. No, so we didn't do that. But it has got me kind of, this rye is much more spicier as a whiskey. So I kind of wanted to play with the rye a little bit. And to kind of have a little fun, cheeky little play. Obviously, you've seen the title. We've got banana and we've got cinnamon going on. This is not overly sweet at all. Please don't tune out if you think this is going to be a sweet number, because it isn't the ratios I've got for. Or this is one of my favourites that I've done so far. I absolutely love this. It's me all over. So let's dive into showing you how to make this. Right, let's run you through the ingredients. So I'm going to use in this. I've just spoken about it a little bit. I'm going to use a rye whiskey for this one. I just want those little spicy notes to come through a little bit more to kind of balance out the sweetness, the fun flavours that are coming. So JD Rye in there, your favourite rye whiskey. I've gone for JD Cinnamon Fire, kind of, or Tennessee Fire. What's it called? Tennessee Fire. It's like a cinnamon whiskey. Think Fireball, but better. That's fair. Banana liqueur and some chocolate bitters. Note there's no sugar in there. I'm going for the sweetness of those two to be my kind of sweetness, if you like. So, stirred down cocktail. Obviously, we are going for some fire. Because I want this kind of whiskey forward, I'm going 45ml, 1.5 ounces of rye. Yeah. So that's going to be that. I'm going for 15, if I can open the bottle. There it is. 15ml, 1.5 of half an ounce of cinnamon whiskey. Cinnamon. I don't know why. I don't know where it come from, the movie, but for some reason I always want to say cinnamon. It's a famous movie where that's come from. I don't know why. I can't think of the top of my head. We are going for banana liqueur. 10ml of banana liqueur. So banana and cinnamon. You know that's what that's going to work. Oh, what's 10ml? Oh, it's a third of an ounce in it. Oh, God, I ran the wrong way. Just trying to work out what a third of an ounce, what 10ml was in ounces. And we'll leave the chocolate bitters for my usual little trick at the end. So we're just going to ice our glass up. I'm mixing glass, and then my little trick is, it's just me personally, I just love to double the amount of liquid. So essentially we're diluting the ice, so we've doubled the liquid. That's what me personally, that's what I like. If you don't want it that watered down, and believe me, that's not watered down, but if you don't want it that watered down, just stir it for less, that's all. So for me, that's going to be about 90 seconds. I've done this many times now, so about 90 seconds. Right, we are nearly there. I've just looked at my counter, about there, stirred down. Right, I'm going for, I love using these for, I need some more, I don't know, I need some more old-fashioned glass. I love this one, gold rimware. Right, we're going for my usual trick. Let's get them on the old close-ups. Chocolate bitters. If I've got spritz cap on, if those regulars, you'll know I've got spritz caps on the top of mine. If you haven't got spritz caps on, just kind of like a few droppers or a couple of dashes. Angostura do the whole chocolate bitters now as well. So a couple of drops in there. I just love doing my little thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Always do one for luck, don't you? You've got to do one for luck. It's the rule. So, 3, 4 spritzes in there. That'll be the equivalent of, like, I don't know, a couple of dashes in there. And then I'm just going to ice this up. Forgot that, didn't I? You can use, I've got a ball of ice out, but ball of ice, big old chunk of ice. I'm just going for chunks of ice in this one. Why not? Why not? Let's go old school. There we go. Let's go old school. And then just to garnish in this one, purely because I'm going to eat it more than anything, I've got a little cherry and a banana on a kebab. There we go. Right, pop it up on screen. Right, there will be even more whiskey, mainly Jack Daniels cocktails for you to dive into, especially old fashions. Go and check them out. As always, big old thumbs up if you like the video. And if you don't want to miss any of my future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.